Hello students, today in our class we are going to learn about value of a polynomial. Value of a polynomial. Let us see its definition first. If p of x is a polynomial in x and if k is any real number, then the value obtained by replacing x by k in p of x is called the value of p of x at x equal to k and is denoted by p of k. So let us go in detail into the definition. P of x is a polynomial. P of x is a polynomial in x. So we am taking. Let us take an example. 2x plus 3. This is an example of polynomial. 2x plus 3 is a polynomial in x, and k is any real number. Then the value obtained by replacing x by k in p of x is called the value of p of x at k. So I'm taking some value k in place of k. According to the definition, the real number is k, but I am taking the real number as minus 3 by 2. Okay, I'm taking a real number minus 3 by 2. Now I'm just replacing it in place of x. 2 into minus 3 by 2 plus 3. So after cancelling 2 and 2, we'll get minus 3 plus 3. Again, if it cancelled, we'll get answer 0. So now the value of polynomial at x equal to minus 3 by 2 is 0. This is called as the value of a polynomial. Now let us see one more example. Find the value of polynomial p of x equal to x square minus 3x minus 4 at x equal to 2 and 0. So we have to find out the value of a polynomial p of x, and p of x is given what? X square minus 3x minus 4, and we have to find out the value at x equal to x equal to 2 and x equal to 0. So we have p of x equal to x square minus 3x minus 4. Now at x equal to 2, in the sense we have to replace x value with 2. After replacing, we got p of 2 equal to 2 square minus 3 into 2 minus 4. 2 square is nothing but 4 minus 2 3s are 6 minus 4. After cancelling plus 4 and minus 4, so directly I am doing it here, we will get an answer minus 6, or another way, plus 4 and minus 6 will gives you minus 2 and minus 4 will get minus 6. Both gives the same result. Okay, now after replacing x with 2, we got the result as minus 6. So the value of the polynomial p of x square minus 3x minus 4 at x equal to 2 is minus 6. Okay, now let us take another part, that is p of x equal to x square minus 3x minus 4 at x equal to 0. We have to find out the value of polynomial at x equal to 0. That means in this example what we have to do, we have to replace the given value of x in the polynomial p of x square minus 3x minus 4. Now see the example here, p of 0. It's already done here. I'm explaining here once again. So x value we have to replace with 0 square minus 3 into 0 minus 4. 0 square equal to 0, minus 3 into 0 is 0 and minus 4. So the final result is minus 4. So what do we talk about this minus 4? Minus 4 is the value of the polynomial at x equal to 0 for a polynomial p of x equal to x square minus 3x minus 4. This is how we'll find the value of a polynomial. Okay, value of polynomial is nothing but when some value for x, that is a real number, in place of x is substituted, the result obtained is called the value of a polynomial. Okay. So next let us see one more example or few more examples regarding the value of polynomial. Find the value of polynomial p of x equal to 2x cube minus 8x square plus 19x minus 12 at x equal to 3. Let us solve it now. P of 3, now I have to replace x with 3. So what I will get now? 2 into 3 cube minus 8 into 3 square plus 19 into 3 minus 12. Minus 12. Okay, now 2 into 3 cube, 3 into 3 9, 9 into 3 27, minus 8 into 3 into 3 is 9 plus 19 3s are 3 9s are 27, 2 3 1s are 3 plus 2 5 minus 12. So 2 into 27 is nothing but 54 minus 8 9s are 72 plus 57 minus 12. Now first let's add up the positive numbers 54 and 57. How much answer now? 111. Okay, 7 plus 4 is 11, 1 comes here, 5 and 5 10, 10 plus 1 11, minus 72 plus 72 minus 72 minus 12 will gives you answer minus 84. After subtraction, what is the answer? 11 minus 4 is 7 and 0 here, 10 minus 8 is 2. So final answer is plus 27. So this is the value of polynomial p of x at x equal to 3. This is the value of polynomial p of x at x equal to 3. What is the polynomial? P of x equal to 2x cube minus 8x square plus 19x minus 12. Okay. Now let us see the second example. How to solve that second example here. P of x equal to x cube minus 2x square minus 75. So we have to find out the value of this polynomial at x equal to 2. So how to do? Just replacing the value of x. In place of x we have to replace 2. So what do we get now? P of 2 equal to 2 cube minus 2 into 2 square minus 75. 2 cube, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, minus 2 into 2 square 4, 2 into 4 minus 75. 8 minus 8 minus 75. Here plus 8 and minus 8 gets cancelled. The result will be minus 75. So what is this minus 75? This minus 75 is nothing but the value of the polynomial p of x equal to x cube minus 2x square minus 75 at x equal to 2. Okay. Let us see one more example. Let us see one more example of value of polynomial. Okay. P of x equal to P of x equal to P of x equal to 8x plus x cube minus 5x square plus 2. Now we have to find out the value of this polynomial at x equal to 1. P of 1 equal to 8 into 1 plus 1 cube minus 5 into 1 square plus 2. 8 ones are 8 plus 1 cube is nothing but 1 minus 5 into 1 square is 5 plus 2. 8 plus 1 9 minus 5 plus 2. 9 minus 5 is 4 plus 2 equal to 6. So the value of the polynomial p of x at x equal to 1 is 6. Okay, but in the question it is given x equal to minus 1. Okay, let us solve that one also. Now we have to find out the value of polynomial p of x equal to 8x plus x square minus 5x square plus 2 at x equal to minus 1. So we have to replace x with minus 1 here. 8 into minus 1 plus minus 1 whole cube minus 5 into minus 1 square plus 2. 8 into minus 1 is minus 8 plus here minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. The result will be minus 1 because minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. 1 into 1 1, 1 into 1 1 minus 5 into minus 1 square is nothing but plus 1 1 plus 2 because minus 1 into minus 1 minus into minus plus 1 into 1 1 minus 8 minus 1 plus into minus is minus 1 minus 5 plus 2. So after solving it, minus 8 minus 1 minus 9 minus 9 minus 5 minus 14 plus 2. When all the symbols, when all the numbers are having same symbol, we have to add them. Okay, and we have to keep the symbol what symbol they acquire. Okay, that is. Now if there are two different symbols, we have to do subtraction. Minus 14 plus 2, there are two different symbols, so after subtraction we got minus 12. The greatest number is having minus symbol, so we are taking minus 12. Okay, this is the value of the polynomial at x equal to minus 1. So hence we can say that minus 12 is the value of the polynomial p of x equal to 8x plus x cube minus 5x square plus 2 at x equal to minus 1.